Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success and abundance into their lives, while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer may lie in understanding the power of the subconscious mind. In Joseph Murphy's insightful book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, he delves into the profound influence our subconscious has on our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our reality. Let's explore some key takeaways from this empowering read. 1. Difference between conscious and subconscious mind. Murphy aptly describes the conscious mind as the captain of a ship, steering our actions and decisions. On the other hand, the subconscious mind operates in the background, much like the ship's engineers, faithfully carrying out the commands of the conscious mind. Understanding this dynamic is crucial because the subconscious mind acts upon the beliefs and thoughts fed to it by the conscious mind. 2. Fundamental right to be rich. Contrary to popular belief, Murphy asserts that being rich is not inherently wrong or selfish. In fact, he argues that economic prosperity is essential for individual and collective well-being. However, common barriers such as envy, excessive striving, and fear often hinder one's path to success. 3. Envy. Envy, Murphy warns, can repel wealth and success. Instead of criticizing or envying others' achievements, he advises cultivating an attitude of admiration and gratitude. By celebrating the success of others, we open ourselves to receive similar blessings. 4. Trying too hard. Murphy cautions against forcing ideas onto the subconscious mind. Rather than exerting excessive effort, he encourages allowing ideas to naturally unfold and manifest. Trusting the subconscious's innate ability to problem-solve can lead to more effortless and effective results. 5. Fear. Fear is a potent inhibitor of success, Murphy highlights. Negative affirmations and fearful thoughts can neutralize our efforts to manifest our desires. To overcome fear, Murphy suggests focusing on clear positive goals and affirmations, thereby reprogramming the subconscious mind for success. 6. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool for harnessing the subconscious mind's creative potential. Murphy advocates vividly imagining our goals and desires as if they were already accomplished. By consistently visualizing our desired outcomes, we imprint them onto the subconscious, paving the way for their realization. 7. Harnessing the subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is always active, even when we're not consciously aware of it. Murphy advises using relaxation techniques such as meditation or self-hypnosis to access and influence the subconscious directly. By entering a state of deep relaxation, we can communicate our intentions effectively to the subconscious. 8. Examples of subconscious solutions. Murphy provides numerous examples of individuals who have experienced breakthroughs and solutions through tapping into their subconscious minds. From creative problem-solving to intuitive insights, these anecdotes illustrate the profound capabilities of the subconscious when properly accessed and utilized. 9. Self-forgiveness. One of the most transformative practices advocated by Murphy is self-forgiveness. He explains that our cells regenerate continuously, offering us opportunities to release past mistakes and grievances. By practicing self-forgiveness, we free ourselves from the burdens of guilt and shame, allowing for personal growth and healing. 10. Using subconscious mind for healing. Murphy emphasizes the mind-body connection and the role of the subconscious in promoting health and well-being. Positive emotions and beliefs, he asserts, can positively influence bodily functions and contribute to overall health and vitality. By cultivating a positive mindset and harnessing the power of our subconscious, we can support our body's natural healing processes. In essence, the power of your subconscious mind is a compelling reminder of the immense potential within each of us to shape our reality. By understanding and harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, we can overcome obstacles, attract abundance, and live a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. As Murphy eloquently puts it, change your thoughts, and you change your destiny.